Why new users should go for Gamma. Speed and efficiency. Gamma can generate docs, decks, and web pages in seconds, saving users a tremendous amount of time and effort. Flexibility and customization. Gamma's flexible templates allow users to create polished and professional-looking presentations, documents, and web pages without having to worry about slide masters or template lock-in. Engagement and collaboration. Gamma includes built-in engagement and collaboration tools that allow users to share their ideas with the world, get their point across, and drill into the details with nested cards. Users can also read, engage, and collaborate on their documents from any device, anywhere in the world. Visual content. Gamma allows users to embed GIFs, videos, charts, and websites into their presentations, documents, and web pages to capture their audience's attention and keep them engaged. Here are some specific examples of how new users can benefit from using Gamma. A new student can use Gamma to create a polished presentation for their first class without having to spend hours learning how to use a complex presentation software program. A new employee can use Gamma to create a professional-looking document to introduce themselves to their new team members. A new entrepreneur can use Gamma to create a web page to promote their new business without having to hire a web designer. Gamma can help new users to save time and effort, create professional-looking presentations, documents, and web pages, and engage their audience with engaging visual content.